In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use legitimate reward platforms to find offers, create an account, and track your progress so you can receive cash rewards. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and look for legitimate reward platform offers. A good approach here is to search for well-known platforms that are commonly used for paid tasks, game offers, or reward-based promotions, such as free cash or misplay. As you search, take a moment to make sure you are clicking on the official website or app listing. This is important because reward platforms can be popular targets for imitation sites, so always double check the name, branding, and URL before moving forward. When you find a platform that looks trustworthy and suits the kind of offers you want to complete, the next step is to register for an account. On the platform's homepage, look for the sign up or registration button and begin the account creation process. Follow the prompts carefully and enter your information where required. As always, use accurate details so your account can function properly, especially if the platform requires verification later for rewards or withdrawals. It's also a good idea to read the basic terms or requirements during sign up so you understand how the platform handles offers, progress tracking, and reward eligibility. After your account is set up, you can move on to monitoring your progress through the platform dashboard. This is the area where you'll usually see your active offers, completed tasks, account status, and any reward progress connected to your activity. If the offer involves reaching certain in-app milestones or level progression, the dashboard is where you'll want to check regularly. Keep an eye on whether your progress is being recorded correctly, because reward platforms often require specific actions to be completed exactly as described in order for the cash reward to be credited. As you continue, make sure you follow the offer instructions closely and avoid skipping any requirements tied to tracking. If progress does not appear right away, remember that some platforms may take a little time to update the dashboard. Staying organized and checking your status consistently can help you avoid confusion and make sure you receive the rewards you've earned. That's the process from start to finish. Search for a legitimate reward platform in Chrome, create your account, and use the dashboard to track your level progression and reward status.